Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jimmy, and in today's video we will be taking a look at the key differences of the brand new Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Now, I'm not going to do a full feature dump of every single spec of both of these devices. It's only the specific key differences between last year's model of the Fold 6 versus the Fold 7, and then also the Flip 6 versus the Flip 7. But I've kept the Flip 6 at home, so we will be doing a deeper dive of this one when we get back to the studio. Now, the biggest key differences between the Fold 6 and the Fold 7 is just how thin it is. Also, how much larger the outer display is, as well as the inner display. So if I open this up, what you'll notice is that this one, the Fold 7, this is a 8-inch display. When it comes down to the Fold 6, this one is a 7.6-inch display. So you'll have a much better display experience on the inner as well as the outer. So again, 8-inch versus 7.6. A fun feature that you're able to do inside of the gallery on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is that when you are doing a photo edit, let's say you're doing the generative edit with generative AI, instead of you going back and forth and flipping between the original and what you've edited on the Z Fold 7, they go side by side. So if I go inside of generative edit, and let's say that we wanted to get rid of this stump. So if I tap on the stump right here, and then we hit on delete, what you'll be able to see is you have the option to generate it and then show the original. Now, on your phone that you have right now, what would happen is that you would have to flip between the two images. So here's the edit. You go to show original, and now they are side by side. So you can see the exact differences that are side by side rather than going back and forth. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right up over here, highlight the person that is sitting on the tree. I'm going to go up here, hit on delete as well, and then we'll hit on generate and then do the exact same thing. So now that we have the done image, everything is all edited. Here's the original and here's what we edited. Again, side by side. So what we're seeing here is that we do have a more ultra wide shot. So we're actually at 100 degrees for a selfie right here versus the Z Fold 6. Also, when you take a look at the front facing camera right here on the, or when you take a look at the main camera on the main display, you'll notice on the Fold 6, it only says photo and video. On the Fold 7, it says portrait, photo, video, and more. It's only on one person. Here we go with two. So the first key differences between the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Fold 7 is that the Fold 7 is thinner. It is 26% thinner than the Z Fold 6. It's also lighter by 24 grams. Now that larger outer screen that you see there, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a 59.9 millimeter outer display. The newest Fold 7 is 64.9 millimeters. And now comparing the Z Fold 6 versus the Fold 7, when they are unfolded, the Fold 7 is a larger display at 8 inches versus the Fold 6, which was 7.6. Another fun brand new feature is, let's say you go inside of your video camera. I'm just gonna go right over here and just shoot something. Now, it's probably not gonna pick up too much noise or too much audio to delete. So with audio eraser, you would have to go into the generative edit to actually take out the noise or music, talking, winds, whatever it may be. Now, the video that we just got done shooting is right here. Now, this is just the regular Samsung gallery. And if you want to listen to the video, you tap on that audio just like before, but now there is a brand new icon that will automatically remove the unwanted noise. So it's using the generative edit of the audio eraser right there. So that is a brand new icon. So again, if you are listening to any type of a video and you want it to be automatically, working with the audio eraser, you just tap on that icon. This is one of those instances where you just need to get this phone in hand and just see how thin and light it is. It's a complete experience. This almost feels like I'm holding on to two separate Galaxy S25 edges with a hinge in between getting them attached. These devices will ship with Samsung One UI 8 with Android 16. The color availability for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is Blue Shadow. We have Jet Black and Silver Shadow. We also have the color of Mint, but that is an online exclusive. The colors for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is going to be the Blue Shadow. We have Jet Black and Coral Red. And again, the color of mint will be an online exclusive. A new feature inside of your Samsung wallet is that you're able to pay in installments. Now, if you have multiple different purchases on your credit card, so for example, let's say that we take a look at this here, there was 2 different payments. There's one of them that you can select and just pay installment plans based off of that one purchase. You can do it on a weekly basis, a monthly basis. You can get it done in 6 payments and 9 payments, and there's a lot of different options when it comes down to your installment plans. Now, some of the key differences between the Flip 6 and the Flip 7 is the flex window is now 4.1 inches versus 3.4. One of my favorite features with the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is that the flex window, your outer screen, is 4.1 inches and it's at a 120 Hz refresh rate, which is the same as the inner screen. Now, also with the flex window, you'll have your full working Gemini. You also have your now brief and now bar. That bezel that you see around the screen is super slim. The bezel is now 1.25 millimeters, which is just giving you a full entire display when it's closed. There's also a very accurate auto zoom when it comes down to opening the camera and putting it into flex mode. Pre-orders will start on July 9th at Samsung.com. Carriers and retail and general availability will start on July 25th. So hopefully you guys have appreciated this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.